Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation. Now, can I ask you, what exactly is holding you back from making your dreams come true? What can I do to help you get your life and live it on a higher level? Can you and me work together then and get your next big adventure started? Drop me a text message on 07801 543 515 or book your free 30-minute slot at ldlcall.com. Let's talk soon. Here is your quote for today. Freedom is a state of mind. Freedom really is a state of mind for us all, and it's up to each of us if we want to experience it. A baby elephant being chained up will struggle to break free, but you'll also think that it's trapped in that shackle even as it's a fully grown adult, as its mindset just doesn't know freedom. But if that fully grown adult elephant really did try, it would possibly and probably would break free easily. Freedom is a state of mind, so always try and stay free, both physically and more importantly, mentally.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.